MT is a way to translate using computers from one language to another. The computer tends to make a good approximation of what that translation should be. There are three different technologies that are used today for doing machine translation. The first one is statistical machine translation. It uses a large amount of data, a large body of corpora in two different languages that it uses to figure out what is the best translation based on the repetitions of that translations that it finds in that database. The other one is a rule-based translations, where you're using dictionaries and grammar rules for that particular language to achieve the same goal. This is a little more involved, and this is traditionally has been the way that most machine translations have worked in the past. And the last one is a hybrid of the two, where you starting out with the rules-based and then you applying statistical model to that translation in order to give you that close approximation to the translation. Whichever model you use, you always need to do a post-editing. The post-editing editor is a human who looks at the actual translations and makes any corrections that are needed from the machine translated match. There are times where the machine translation doesn't make the best choice for that particular translation. An MT engine is the heart of the machine translation system. The software actually takes all of the data that you feed it and it creates this database from which it's pulling the information. The engine is actually a database where there is an algorithm that finds the actual matches or the close approximation to the match based on formulas. And to create these engines, you need basically two things: a large body of corpora, which could be from several different sources, like translation memories from the clients, or you could use monolingual information from stuff that's been previously translated, but you don't have the source. Or you can use source as well to be able to create this huge database to leverage from.